Hi, I'm Jackson.
And I'm Davany.
It is November 10th, and welcome to the TAC. It's time for Faxin' with Jackson. We got some bird facts for you today. There have been two countries that have declared war on birds. Both of them lost. That is incredible. The first one was Australia with the Great Emu Wars. The other country was China when Mao Zedong started the campaign against sparrows. The birds won again. How fragile are we as apex predators that we can lose wars to birds that are this big?
Today's national days are
National Forget-Me-Not
and
the Marine Corps birthday.
so
Don't forget the Marines.
on their birthday.
Yeah, give them a vanilla cupcake because it's also National Vanilla Cupcake Day.
For lunch today, we have ham and cheese, quiche, tater tots, bacon-wrapped asparagus, fruit, dessert, and a drink.
Another thing, we got a thankful board. If you are thankful for anything, maybe go up to that board. We got a picture of it right here. This is what it looks like. You may have seen it in the hallway. Write what you're thankful about. We are here showing off another edition. Ronnie is the cool piglet. He is our newest addition to the TAC art board. Once again, please submit some more of your art to the box that is on top of the piano. 2 Thessalonians 3:16.
Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times and in every way. The Lord be with all of you.
Sign him off, Melinda.
Bye, Trailblazer Nation. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Put the hand to it.
Alright. Did I say bird facts? Because I meant war facts. The first war in which both sides had a McDonald's was in 1999 between India and Pakistan.